Do you know exponential key features? What are exponential key features? Well, first, you need to know what an exponential function is. An exponential function is a function in the form of f of x equals a to the x power, where a is constant. And now on to the key features. There are 7 features. The first one is domain. Domain is all real numbers in an exponential function. The next is range. Range is all possible values of f of x. Zeros. The values of x that produce value of 0 for f of x. The fourth, asymptotes, are lines that approach but never touch. Intercepts are lines that either cross the x-axis or cross the y-axis. Intervals of increase or decrease are regions where the graph goes up or down. The last key feature is in behavior, what happens to the graph as x approaches negative infinity or positive infinity. And now onto some examples of exponential functions with their key features. Example number 1. Y equals a to the x power.
Example 1 key features. Asymptote is y equals 0. Domain is negative infinity, positive infinity. Range is 0, positive infinity. In behavior, as x is traveling to negative infinity, f of x is traveling to 0. As x is traveling to positive infinity, f of x is positive infinity. Y-intercept is 0, 1.
Example number 2. Y equals 3 times 1/2 to the x plus 2 power.
Example 2 key features. Asymptote is y equals 0. Domain is negative infinity, positive infinity. Range is 0, positive infinity. In behavior, as x is traveling to negative infinity, f of x is traveling to 0. As x is traveling to positive infinity, f of x is traveling to negative infinity. Y-intercept is 0, negative 2.
And this is in behavior explained.
As you can tell from our graph here, as x is moving to the left, f of x is traveling up towards positive infinity. And as you can see here, as x is moving to the right, f of x is traveling towards 0. So, our end behavior for this graph would be, as x is traveling towards negative infinity, f of x is traveling towards positive infinity. And as x is traveling towards positive infinity, f of x is traveling towards 0.
Still think it's too complicated? The key is to follow the steps and work out all the problems, and you'll get it every time. Now you know.
Created using Powtoon.